Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use circuit design space on your iPhone in simple and easy steps. Whether you are beginner or just learner, this guide will help you to get started quickly. Let's begin. First, open the Circuit app on your iPhone. If you don't have it yet, go to App Store, search for Circuit Design Space and download it. If you are new, tap Create Account and follow the simple steps. On the home screen, tap the New Project button at the bottom. This opens a blank canvas where you can start designing. To add something to your canvas, tap Save to add circle, square, heart, etc. Tap Text to write words like name, codes or label. Tap Image to search for circuit design or upload your own picture. Move item by this dragging, resize them by pinching and rotate using the curved arrow. When you tap on an item, tools appear at the bottom. Edit can change size, font to change the text style, color, choose what color material you want. You will cut, duplicate, mix, copy. These tools help you customize your project exactly the way you want. Once your design is ready, tap the green Make It button. Choose how you want to cut. On mat, without mat, on card mat, click the option that matches your material. Your iPhone will now connect to your circuit machine using Bluetooth. Turn on your circuit machine and make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your iPhone. Select your circuit model if it appears on the screen. Choose the material you are using like iron or paper. Load the mat into your circuit machine. Press go and cutting will begin. That's it. That's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.